Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here. Welcome back. What are we making today?
Well, Mark, it's in the middle of the summer. We're celebrating all things Wisconsin, farm fresh produce and farm fresh Wisconsin cheese. So we have a delicious tomato and feta homemade salsa today. Very easy to make and very timely because I know everyone's getting tomatoes from their gardens, onions, cilantro, corn. Sweet corn's very plentiful.
It all comes at once.
Yes, and to pair that with a fresh Wisconsin cheese, we have a Wisconsin feta. It's very simple to make, so you're going to start out with 2 cans of black beans. I know everybody likes those. And then 1 cup of fresh tomatoes from your garden that's quartered into small pieces. We also have some fresh corn, whether you want to buy it or maybe you have some local sweet corn in your fridge. 1 cup of fresh corn.
So is that cooked or not?
It's not cooked, no.
Okay.
And then we have a half a cup of red onions, so also gives it lots of great flavor. It's a very colorful recipe as well. And then some fresh cilantro as well, adds a lot of great color. And then we're going to add a little bit of lime juice and some cayenne pepper. And you're actually going to put this in the fridge for about an hour just to let the flavors all soak through it. And at the very end,
you forgot the most important
part. You're going to add the star ingredient at the end once you put it in the fridge. And then we have that Wisconsin fresh feta, and it's very tangy, it's salty, it's perfect for salsas, perfect for salads. I know it's probably one of your favorites, Mark, because you like every kind of cheese.
I love feta, and there's different kinds of feta too, aren't there?
Absolutely. So there's Mediterranean, there's basil, there's fat-free, all different kinds of flavor varieties. You can buy chunks of feta, crumbled feta. The feta that I'm featuring today is made in Monroe, Wisconsin. It's at the Klondike Cheese Factory, the Odyssey Feta. They have 6 Wisconsin master cheesemakers, and they can continue to win awards at the State Fair, the World Cheese Championship, the United States. So nothing but the best, Mark, when we talk about Wisconsin cheese.
Now feta, does that originate in Greece?
It is. It's originally a Greek cheese, but now we make a lot of feta here in Wisconsin. We're a big feta producer. So just continue to look for that Proudly Wisconsin cheese badge, because more than likely your feta is probably coming from Wisconsin.
So here's the final product.
The final product, you can serve it with some tortilla chips, different colors. Also, maybe you want to serve some bell peppers to give it a little more color. A great appetizer, maybe even a meal within itself.
It looks healthy.
It looks healthy. It actually is very healthy. You're getting lots of great protein from the cheeses and then all those summer vegetables. So very light and healthy.
And the fat content of the feta is about 2 or 4%?
Yeah, and you can buy the different, if you're worried about that, you can buy the reduced fat, the full fat. There's different varieties if whatever you prefer.
We're in Wisconsin. Get them all.
Yes. Yes, get them all. Try one of each.
All right, the recipe online?
Yep, you can check out wisconsinccheese.com and you can find all of our recipes there.
Boy, summer's zipping by, isn't it?
Yeah, before you know it, we'll be talking about winter recipes, right?
Yeah, back to school
Yeah,
stuff.
back to school.
All right, Ange, thank you.